Digital logging links each lot to quality and production records.
Clear segregation prevents unapproved material from reaching the line.
Can you grab the bottom shelf?
Yeah, watch the battery leads.
Correct feeder setup prevents placement errors downstream.
Consistent paste printing forms the foundation of reliable solder joints. Automated placement ensures speed and positional accuracy.
Controlled heating permanently bonds components to the board. Automated inspection detects solder and placement defects.
Clean separation protects PCBE edges and components. Localized rework recovers boards without affecting throughput.
In-circuit testing verifies electrical integrity of the board.
Only electrically verified boards are released to assembly.
Approval authorizes full assembly production.
Secure battery mounting ensures safety and reliability. Proper thermal contact maintains performance and component life. Thermal assembly follows battery and board installation logically.
Correct speaker placement ensures sound quality and vibration control. Even seating prevents key feel variation and cosmetic gaps.
Accurate alignment protects cables and ensures screen reliability.
Secure connections prevent intermittent display failures. Firmware programming prepares the system for functional testing.
Automated tests confirm core performance and feature operation.
Checking microphone levels, audio peaking at -6 decibels.
Switching to camera preview now. Looks good.
Wireless testing verifies regulatory and performance compliance.
thermal behavior is verified to meet comfort and reliability targets.
Short-duration burn-in exposes early life failures. Retesting confirms the issue has been fully resolved.
Buffers balance flow between assembly and testing.
Permanent labeling ensures lifetime traceability.
All required accessories are matched to the correct unit.
Correct placement ensures safe and consistent presentation.
Secure sealing protects contents through distribution.
Weight verification confirms complete contents. Carton labels maintain traceability through logistics.
Consistent pallet patterns improve transport stability.
Wrapping secures loads against shifting in transit.
Pallet-level identification enables warehouse tracking. Finished goods are transferred into controlled storage.
Sign locations maintain inventory accuracy.
Pallets are selected based on shipping schedules. Staging organizes shipments for efficient loading. Controlled loading prevents damage during transfer. Finished products depart for distribution.
Packaging materials are sorted to reduce waste.
Prepared scrap is readied for licensed recycling partners.
Controlled storage ensures safe disposal of non-recyclable waste.
ESD controls protect sensitive electronics from latent damage.
Real-time data enables fast response to quality trends.
Defined lanes keep materials flowing without interference.
Controlled spares prevent unauthorized substitutions. Data review drives continuous improvement.
Non-conforming materials are returned through controlled channels.
Inventory buffers support demand variability.
Standardized processes support consistent daily output.